Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon and today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency I found called Hamster. I'll be doing a price prediction and where you can be able to find some of the news and information at. Let's begin. So on CoinMarketCap guys, Hamster, its little ticker is HAM. Now what really attracted me to this cryptocurrency is obviously the price and that massive move up. Let's check those out. So if you look at the current price, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and a 5. Like that is so tiny. But this is where hodling and trading can definitely increase that. So if for me guys, I try to find where to trade this coin. Didn't find much luck on it. But if you want to hodl it, you can just go to the website and purchase this coin. So when it comes to hodling guys, same thing I have for every plan. Dollar cost average in, every set amount of period, buy. But when it comes to this price prediction, I would only go to the maximum price that it's currently ever been, which is I think 9 zeros, 0.8. So 9 zeros and then 8. That's where the price I would be heading to, and I would stair step myself up to that. If I was trading based on its current volume and the way it is, maybe trade it and I'll short it down, but I would immediately lock in profits. So if it goes down to say half of what currently is, lock in 10% of that with your stop loss. So if it does violently go back up, you take a profit. But at that current point, I would be just hodling all the way down, because this cryptocurrency is pretty new. And you know, if we got here at the bottom floor, your price would be a whole lot better. But let's look at some of the other things about it, okay? So it has a fully diluted market cap of about $50 million, which is not bad. It beats a lot of stocks. And let's look at this website, guys. So here's the website. It's actually pretty cool. I like how it's all on one page, so you can just scroll through. Hamster coin is pretty cool in a sense of, you know, I've never heard of something like that. And usually cool names really attract me to read more about this cryptocurrency. So let's read about it. It has transparency. Coin is decentralized and supported by a community of enthusiasts. Oh, that's pretty cool. Similar to other currency. It does have a community, one of the large growing communities. Something that may say longevity. Hopefully this coin can last. We'll check out his Twitter page. Now, guys, you don't have me on Twitter. Just look up Andre J. McClendon on Twitter. I'm on there pretty active. I do post a lot of political stuff and talk about some cryptocurrencies and money, you know. But I am going to check them out. Wow, they have a big follower base. 54,000 people, almost 55,000 people follow them. That's really big for cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to check out some of the news, please look at this right here. Check out their Twitter page. Check out their website. They are jumping the ranks, which is a really cool thing. So if you guys want to look at hodling this might be a good opportunity to get on a cryptocurrency that is cheap. So throw $100 at it, throw $1,000, whatever. I am not telling you what to do. This is something that I like to do, is research cryptocurrencies and show them to you guys. But that's it, guys. That's the video. Please go to my website, andrejmcclendon.com. Please check out the indicators that I put on there that I back tested. If you want me guys to back test more, just ask. I'll back test them and put them on the website. Also, check out my gold and silver statistics. It has some good information there. But that's it, guys. So like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.